Morning guys, today we've got here Samsung Galaxy M56 and let me show you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls. And now right in front of you, you've got kind of basic statistics. If you want to dig into it a bit more, if you want to learn more, just click on the scale and now you can go back in time till the first day of usage. You can show the categories if you want to. You can check notifications received, times opened, and obviously time spent on screen on each day. Here you've got the categories, and if you will mark show up, you will see all apps and time spent on each of them. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.